Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to duet on Instagram Reels. First, let's go into Instagram and I'll simply select a reel right here. For instance, this one. After you have selected the reel, you're going to tap on the three dots right in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to select remix this reel. After you have selected that, you can either choose to tap on the circle right here to record the reel or the video that you would like to do it with, or you can either tap in the bottom left hand corner and select a video, for instance this one right here. Then in the top right hand corner you're going to tap on add. Then you'll select preview and you will see both videos right there. Then you'll simply tap on next to upload it, and that's it. That's how to duet on Instagram Reels.